Hey everyone, it's Friday, May 2nd. We took 9 trades in YM today and made 335 points. We got in some amazing trades today, so let's take a look, see how everything played out. So you could look over to the left. You can see that was the red news non-farm payroll at 8:30. The market has still actually got a ton of sentiment, momentum, volatility. We're going to go ahead and take this up here and see if we can't hit that previous high right there. It's a risk-free trade already. We're just going to hit this area up to the left and just lock in 30 points. Now we can see that we're coming off of that high of day right there. We're actually now coming down before the open here to try and find some value in the market. You can see that short time frame data flipping over, so we can take the short even though the long time frame data is still going long. This gives us the opportunity to take the corrective move, and we're just going to lock in 18 points. Now you can see all we did was test that white line. That's our 200 moving average. We got a little trend line there. We're breaking through. We got all of our data coming back into play, so we're going to head long again. Now what we're doing is, of course, we got this trade protected. We're testing this overnight high. That's the overnight high before the market opened. We're going to lock in 38 points. And you can see now we rejected that overnight high. The high time frame data is all decaying massively. The short time frame data has rolled over. We're taking this short back down towards VWAP. You can see now that all of this momentum kicks in, sentiment kicks in, and we're going to go ahead and lock in 72 points. All right, we got a nice trend line here. VWAP has held. Our short data has now rolled back over to the long side, so we're breaking this trend line. We're trying to get back up to the open price. Once again, we are hitting this 200 moving average. We're just going to lock in 37 points. Now you can see the things we're testing here. We're testing volume point of control. We're testing yesterday's high. We're coming back up. We got all of our data starting to come back into our direction. Great trade as we're hitting value area high, a very significant statistical level. We're going to lock in 42 points. Last few days I've been using trend lines because there's been flag patterns on the higher time frames, like the 5-minute charts. Really easy patterns, classic things that a lot of traders use. The difference is you can notice we're using data to actually get into these trades. Once our trades pull away from our entry point, we just move our stop loss to that break even so we can lock in a risk-free trade. Now as price is struggling here, we're going to go ahead and just lock in 39 points. All right, we've got our data. Now we are at the overnight high again. We've got value area right here. So we have enough data. We're pushing through this 123.6 extension. We do have the trade protected. It is risk-free. Now we're coming up to noon. So we're probably, we're going to get stopped out here with a break even on this trade. Now we're at noon. You can see that little pullback that we just had right there. We're going to re-enter this trade at value area. We're going to aim for resistance 2. That's that giant red line up here. Look at that real-time data just go crazy. These are tremendous values here. No news, no nothing, just real-time data. We blow right through, and we actually end up locking 59 points on that.